Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is Frecky Fit Wolf. In case you can't tell by the new surroundings, it is October. It is a new month, and I decided that I'm going to be participating in Vlogtober. If you don't know what that is, it's basically where YouTubers vlog every single day. And I'm going to try to participate in that. And so some will have this background because I'm doing this on my computer, but some I'm going to try to get a little bit more outside and things, so obviously won't have the nifty backgrounds. But, you know, for while I'm here, I think it's really pretty. All month long, you're going to see this, so get used to it. Unless I get bored and change it up again, which might happen. I tend to do that. But yeah, so I'm excited for Vlogtober. I'm excited for everybody that's participating. So many people are doing it this month that I was kind of shocked by, which is awesome because I love all of them. My only concern is I am going to get so behind on videos because there's already a handful of you guys that of YouTubers that vlog every day anyway. And I get backed up on those sometimes where I have to like watch 4 or 5 episodes in a day. But now not everybody, but a lot of people are doing it. So that'll be fun. Like I said, I'm doing it. So sorry if I'm adding to your YouTube clog. But anyway, so that's what this is. And before I go more into it, I want to go over my previous month. If you haven't seen me do it, typically at the beginning of every month, I like to recap the last month with a little calendar because I think it's highly important to look at the big picture. Because when we do these weigh-ins each week, it can kind of get to you. Like last week, I, gained, and it can kind of get to you. Like, man. But when you take a step back and zoom out, for the month, I lost 6 pounds. You can see all the other, all of the other, I can't point, but all of the other months, you can see what I gained or all of them were losses, not gains. Let's hope I don't have a full month where I gain. But when you look at the big picture, and I should have wrote on there that, I'm down 31 pounds now. When you look at the big picture, it's so much easier to be like, oh, okay, even with that week that I gained, still overall was a good month. It was still minus 6 pounds, so that is fantastic. And I just said it, but it is so important to not get caught up in the moment and not stress over 1 week. Even if you're losing half a pound, when you zoom out, boom, it adds up. So keep that in mind. I think that's very important. And I do want to go over my goals for this month. Like I said, my goal is to do Vlogtober. So whether it's here or whether it's somewhere else, I want to do that. And as far as health and fitness goals, I'm sticking with my plan despite how it went last week. I'm sticking with the 55 to 60 points a day and 21 to 2,400 calories a day. I want to stick to that. And I do want to, I've mentioned it before, but obviously last week I started slacking off. I want to make sure that I hit my water goal. And so I'm drinking it all the time. I'm going to try to make sure to get all of the water that I can versus drinking as much diet soda. And then sleep goal. This one is really hard for me to say because I have issues sleeping. I can't always control my sleep habits. But I do want to at least make an attempt to sleep. And some of that might actually be, instead of being able to fall asleep earlier, on the days that I don't open at work, I don't have to get up at 6. Like yesterday, I didn't have to leave my house till 12:30. Well, I left at 12 because I was mailing a birthday gift to a friend, but I don't have to get up at 6:30 or 6. So I'm going to change my alarms so that on the days that I close, they don't wake me up that early. That might make it hard on the days that I do open, but I'm going to at least try it and maybe see if I can sleep in a little bit. Because I admit, sometimes I'm a little bit jealous. Like I get up and my roommate's still asleep for another 3 hours. So I'm going to try that and see if that helps. And see if my internal alarm clock doesn't wake me up anyway. Because sometimes I wake up before my alarms even go off. So we'll see. So that's a goal. I do want to officially, and y'all call me out on this, I want to officially make an activity goal. Where I'm going to start 3 times a week where I'm doing some kind of extra activity. When, like Thursday, the weather's going to be gorgeous, so after work, I want to go for a walk. But even if the weather's too hot for me, I'm tired of using that as an excuse. I can stand here in my room walking in place watching TV if I want to. So I want to make that a goal. Whatever kind of activity, I want to do some kind of extra exercise activity. Walking, maybe try to get back into that Just Dance. Although with the way my room's set up now, it's kind of hard. some kind of stuff like that. I have slacked off on that, and I want to rectify that. So if you don't hear me mentioning it in any of my videos, call me out, please. Like, don't be mean. Don't hurt my feelings. Don't make me cry. But call me out. Be like, dude, you said you were trying to be active 3 times a week. And then who knows, maybe towards the end of the month, I'll up it to more than that. But I want to shoot for 3. My last goal is honestly to be more social. You all know how much of an introvert I am, and that I do not socialize that much. So I'm trying to work on that. Granted, with doing Vlogtober, it kind of makes it a little bit more difficult because I'll be spending a lot of time with my camera and editing and things like that, but it's not 24/7. So even if it's just meeting up with a friend to go to a walk, or like this weekend actually, I'm trying to join this social group, and they do a lot of charity type of things and activities, and I actually volunteered with them, and it's going to be selling Jello shots, but it's still, I'm getting out, I'll be at a bar with other people, interacting, talking to people, especially since I'm going to be selling Jello shots. Like, I got to talk to strangers. Not something I typically do. And I don't know if I'm going to have a buddy to do it with. So that'll be interesting. Normally, I need a partner to do stuff. So we'll see how that goes. I'm going to have my CBD oil taken so that I don't stress out. But that's an extreme version of being social. But like I said, even just like with that, I invited my roommate. But like, hey, if you're not doing anything, I'm going to be there. At least come say hi. I don't know where I'll be in it because there's a whole event going on. And some of the bar is free to get into. Some of the bar you have to charge. But still, like, come say hi to me. I'd love that. And my downstairs neighbor, who is a friend of mine, invited him also. So I'm trying to be more social so that I'm not just always home and being very much an introvert. I do know, and I'm going to say it on here just so that to remind us both, but Barrett Pastor, her daughter is Paige and my friend, and we talked about going to a pumpkin patch. So again, I want to, we talk about it and then I never do something. So I want to officially say, I want to do that. We need to do that. So sometime there should be a vlog where I go to a pumpkin patch with Paige. So we'll see. And so yeah, that is basically my goals for the month. I don't want to overwhelm myself by any means, but that's what I want to do for my health, for my physical and mental health. Because I do get lonely. I do get sad for being lonely. And so, and I tend to use YouTube. I'm like, I'm being social. See, people are watching me. I'm talking to somebody. I'm literally talking to a camera. And you guys comment and react, and that is wonderful, and I love that. But it's not the same as in-person interactions. So that, mental health, strengthening that, because I'm feeling better about myself now that I'm taking better care of my health, but I also need to take better care of my mental health with things like that, being social. Like when I went and saw my parents even, that was fun. Like, I don't hang out with them often enough. I need to increase that. And October is kind of the perfect time because, one, it starts cooling off. I mean, it's 93 degrees today here, but Thursday it's going to be like 70. So that'll be great. But yeah, all of that. And so yeah, I want to do that. And also I want to ask you guys for help as far as with the Vlogtober. I've never obviously done it before. So one, I'm going to keep my usual schedule that I have now. So I will still do my Sunday weigh-in. I will still do a video on Tuesday, which that one's always been kind of vlog. It's kind of whatever I felt like, whether I cooked or whether I talked. And then Thursday is still going to be meme of the week. And then Friday now, the two big ones, the cooking, the Foodie Fridays cooking challenge video will go up, and then Friday nights will be a live stream where we chat about it and just chat in general. So I will still have those, but on Mondays I want to vlog. On Wednesdays I want to vlog. On Saturdays I want to vlog. So I need your guys' help. Give me some ideas. What would you like to see? Do you have questions you would like me to answer? Give me a top 5 something, or a top 10, or challenge me to do something within reason. Like, don't make it anything crazy, but you know what I mean. Like, something like that I really, really would like. So leave comments below. There's also a post on my Facebook group where I announce that I'm doing Vlogtober, and I would love for you to give me more ideas there, or post questions, or post whatever. on there, and the link is going to be in my description, and it's also on my outro. But it's my Facebook group, so it's just Facebook group, and you just search for Frecky Fit Wolf and friends, and there it is. So if you haven't joined it yet, please join it, and then give me some ideas. And plus, like, it's kind of growing. It's kind of nice. Like, people are posting things, before and after pictures, inspirational stuff, asking questions, all kinds of stuff like that. And other YouTubers are even posting links to their channels or their videos that they're doing, which is kind of fun, because then if you don't already follow them, you're like, oh, cool, let me go check that out. So join that. Help me, help them, help yourself, all of that. And so yeah, that is basically going to be it for this video, because it is Tuesday, and so I've got to record my video for Foodie Fridays on Friday, because it's the only day that I have enough time where my roommate's not home, where I can be recording in the kitchen. And so yeah, so I'm going to get ready and go do that. But I just wanted to pop on here, do my first daily vlog, welcome you to Vlogtober, ask for some help on that, and get my goals, which I did. I've accomplished it, so I can stop rambling now and I can move on. So if you haven't yet, please like, please subscribe, hit the little bell so you know when I post videos. Although for this month, it's going to be every day, at least once a day. But you know, on Friday, it's going to be twice a day, because it's going to be the food video and the live stream. And that's going to be on Friday nights. Well, Friday morning will be the cooking video, where it is, we're going to post at 8 in the morning my time, Central Time. So whatever that is in your time zone. And then 7:30, again, my time, we will go live. So add that to your calendars, or just hit the little bell so you don't even have to remember the times. You'll get notified. It's kind of perfect. All right, so anyway, please feel free to share my videos, join my Facebook group, comment down below. And until tomorrow, when I do something, don't know what yet, but I'm going to do something, I'll talk to you guys later.